If you are looking to switch up the boring factory taillights on your 2013 through 2018 Ram at home, well then, you'll want to check out the black LED taillights that we're talking about today. Now these DOT approved options will feature a modern look and LED operation with some bonus accent lighting, all for right around that low $300 price point. So aftermarket taillights are one of those areas that gives Ram owners a wide variety of options to choose from to really go out and personalize your rig and separate it from some of the others you might see on the road. Now the LED options that we're talking about here today certainly going to appeal more to the truck owners who prefer that modified or aftermarket look as opposed to something that's going to be a little bit more factory based. So with that being said, if these are just a little bit too wild for you, well then I always am going to encourage you, check out the rest of our selection here at AT. But for the purposes of this video, what do you say we focus in on the LED options? And on the surface, guys, you're getting the combination of a gloss black ABS housing, but topped off with a crystal clear polycarbonate lens. Now that's gonna help deliver that dark, aggressive look, but at the same time still allow for plenty of visibility along with that DOT approval, which by the way, does make these legal for use in all 50 states. But aside from that dark, aggressive appearance with the black housing and clear lens, you're also getting the full LED operation for things like your running lights, your brake lights, and your turn signals. Now, the one lone exception will be the reverse lights, of course, which will need to be transferred over from your factory tail lights. Now, brake lights, turn signals, and running lights here, guys, are all going to be found up top, and that will be displayed thanks to the modern and individual red LEDs. Now, these LEDs, I feel, are going to be far brighter than your factory LED taillights and will drastically improve your visibility from the rear, which in turn should help increase your safety at the same time. Now, reverse lights, again, will be housed in the bottom, and they will be separated by the red reflectors. But if I can make one suggestion here, guys, with the taillights out and going with a nice bright option like this, probably not a bad idea to maybe consider an LED reverse light bulb just for a more consistent look. But one of the big highlights here for me with these taillights is the diffused LED running lights that kind of circle or surround, if you will, that top block. And those diffused LED running lights will illuminate red whenever your parking lights or your headlights have been switched on and just kind of contribute to a more modern or custom look. Now, I do want to reiterate here, guys, that these taillights are only going to be meant for trucks with the factory LED taillights. So just make sure you're grabbing the correct set for your truck before ordering. But outside of that, the lights do feature a direct swap plug and play design, along with all of the wiring and everything needed to make this a very quick and easy job using nothing more than a T25 Torx tool. So therefore, Site's gonna call it soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter in an hour at absolute most from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of just how this job will go down, here is a walkthrough from an AT customer now.
The tools you're gonna need, of course, is a plier, a screwdriver, a Torx T25, and some dielectric grease. Okay, first of all, you take off these 2 screws here, the Torx screws off. And all you do is pull the lamp out this way. There you go. And there's a harnesser here, and all you do is pull it out. To install the new one, part of this harness you're going to have to use. So take the clip over here, take that off, and what you do if you have a hard time, use a screwdriver to pry this off. And there's another clip over here, you pry this off and pull straight off. Then the back side, this lamp here is a halogen light, so it will have to be removed and you reuse on your new one. Okay, turn it, I'll thread up right there. Okay, this is the harness now. This is what you're using. And then now, put on your halogen light. Put it in and twist. And right here, this is the connection that goes to the LED. So I like to put in some dielectric grease here. Just a small dab, and do it right there. And place it right on the pin and on. What it does, it waterproof set, so it makes it easier to handle and push in, easy in and out. So line up here, this groove, into that groove right here, and push straight in. So now all you do is install this together, this clip. You push in, and it clicks. Give it a click, and that's it. So now, reinstalling the light, realign it, do it again. Push in, push in, push in. Torque screw right here. T25. Install those. It's better to use a torque screwdriver so you won't be stripping the threads, or when you do tighten it, don't tighten too hard on it because you might bust the, it's made out of plastic, so you might bust it. So just be gentle on it and smooth tightening. Finger tight, not too tight. 1 and 2. Okay, that's one done. Okay, taking off the first one. Second one. Okay, keep straight. I'll try it out. Okay. Another way to do it also, I found out that you can leave the harness together. So all you do is with a small screwdriver here, you take off this, you pry the slip pin right here that pulls it right off, right there. Okay, take off the LED, then use your pliers. The halogen light. To take it off, loosen, always turn to the left. Don't too hard on it. Right there. The harness is off. So just place it back. There you go. Halogen light on the bottom. Twist it. Boom. And it locks right in. And all that's left out is this side, this bit. And I'll put some dielectric grease on it. Right here. So it seals it and waterproofs it. Very good to have. Once that's done, insert this connections terminal right into it, like this. Push until it locks. Okay, that's it. That's installed already. So now you run the wires back to the harness, back to the holding loops. So gently feed the wire, put it back in. Push straight in, and it locks right in. So now the 2 torque screws, all you do is put it right back. Remember just to tighten it just a bit, not too tight. You don't want to crack the plastic on it because it's really fragile. You just hand tight, make sure it's just snug enough to be there.
So if you are looking for a modern yet aggressive taillight for your 2013 through 2018 LED equipped Ram at home, be sure to check out these LED options in black right here at AmericanTrucks.com.